Nice, man. Yeah, I'm sitting at just about actually like yeah, just about halfway to getting this account. I'm at like 1400, a little over 1400. It's the same account I've been trading. I just haven't traded in like a week. I took a little scalp with just a few contracts this morning on that big drop. When it dropped and it started to come up, I just took a little short and nothing crazy. I got like 20 points. Yeah, just on NQ. I entered it with like half size because it dropped so aggressively and it started to come up, and then I shorted it because it was like near it's kind of retesting like those little lows or like that support that it broke through. Yeah. Me neither. Sometimes though, when we get like such an aggressive move, sometimes I'll hop in with real low size. Like I'll take like two or three contracts, like something small, just because it's like when you get such an aggressive move, I expect there to be at least a little bit of a continuation or something. Enough for like yeah, just like a little scalp. I never try to actually like do a full trade though. Pre-market scarred me. It's interesting. It had like that pre-market low, and it came down and touched it exactly, and then went right back up. You seeing that? I'm wondering if ES did the same. ES is not quite the same, but on NQ it's really weird. On like the 5 minute, came down to like 21 640 or so, 641. It's like the exact level of that like little pre-market swing low. It's kind of weird. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right back up to that like resistance again. Curious. See what it does. Shit, man. I hope you get feeling better, man. How long has it been? Have you been sick for a few days or? Gotcha. Yeah, my brother's on day 11 and he's still feeling it. He's like, what the hell is going on? I hate working when you're sick. How's that been going, man? How's your new job been? Good. Yeah, is it similar stuff? It's just like a better environment? Okay. Like driving, like people staying at the hotel? Oh, okay. What's good? That has been a while, man. How you been? Doing all right. I was telling, yeah, I was telling Abe I had an absolute shit week, honestly. Well, I'm in North Carolina now, but I drove from like Denver out here over the past like 4 days. But yeah, my car broke down in Kansas City, so I had to. It's just at a shop right now, and I had to get a rental car and continue the drive because they're supposed to get like a winter storm, and I didn't want to get trapped in that. But yeah, just a lot of. Yeah, exactly. It was not fun. I'm not gonna lie. Spent a lot of money on car shops and rentals and what's up? 3. I drove Denver to Kansas City, Kansas City to Nashville, Nashville to Charlotte. But yeah, I spent an extra day in Kansas City because my car broke down and I had to get it towed to a mechanic and shit. Yeah, I don't really fully know what's wrong with it, but it had like an error code, and when we read the error code, it says it was the camshaft, which isn't good. And then uh, I took it to a mechanic, and they didn't tell me what exactly they found because I was just talking to like the guy at the front desk, but they mentioned something about like my turbo being bad, and I was like, that's not good either. So I don't know, man. It might be shot. I'm not sure. It's a 2009. It's a Subaru. Dude, it has less than 80,000 miles on it. 78,000 miles and it's already shit now. It's kind of depressing. I mean, it's an older car, but yeah, it's not very, doesn't have too much mileage. So I was like telling the guy at the mechanic shop, and he's like, that's unusual for a Subaru. I was like, yeah, dude. That would be a pleasant surprise, yeah. How you doing, man? I hope your new year's starting off better than ours. Abe's sick and stressed. I'm stressed and broke. Good. Happy to hear that, man. I know. I'm watching. NQ already broke that pre-market high. ES hasn't quite. That was a crazy run off the bottom. Ran like 100 points or more, over 100 points already. Damn, yeah, NQ looks really strong now. It's funny, I was actually like favoring ES to the upside before the day started. Now it's looking kind of the opposite. Yeah, both of them are looking pretty good. Man, it's been a little bit since I traded. I almost feel like I forgot a little bit. Nice. They go all right. Let's go, buddy. I'm fired up. My brother got a like a home gym setup. It's like a squat rack with cables and everything, bench, and we just put it all together in his garage last night. So once I'm once I'm done here, gonna catch a pump, go down to the old pump station. Which is nice because this is like the exact time of year where I want to avoid public gyms. All the resolutioners. Yeah, it always is. Just give it like 1 month usually. By February, they're gone. Scream, what's your when you're trading ES? Like, what's do you have an average amount of points that you look for, like in a trade? It's just more of like a trailing stop then, or something. Damn, NQ is insane right now, just cranking. Gotcha. All right. I was just wondering. I was gonna start. Yeah, I was gonna start watching and trading ES as well, or just watch it for setups as well. But I was making like my bracket for it. I did 7 points. I feel like 7 points is something I feel like you could get pretty consistently. But I just haven't traded it enough to like know its movement. What's up, Yvonne? Good morning. Happy New Year, sir. I have not. Have you, Yvonne? No. Oh, cool. How was that? I hope so. He was staying at a brothel. Serbia looks nice. It's only a 12-hour flight from here. I'll meet you there. Oh, shit. Yeah, you guys got beef. Who won? Of course. Otherwise, probably wouldn't be talking about it. Damn, that's kind of recent, though. Wait, fucking, I didn't even know. You guys getting wars over there? Like, actually bombing each other and shit? Yeah, like broke apart. Just yeah, that's crazy. Damn, bro. Now you gotta just live right beside each other too, huh? See, the U.S. we fuck with everybody, but we're all the way on the other side of the world, so yeah, out of sight, out of mind. I feel like if we were fighting with Canada. What's that? I'm in North Carolina. I was in Alaska, and now I'm in North Carolina. Well, I'm on the east coast of the United States now. I'm here living with my brother and my sister-in-law. Yes, sir. Yes, I am. No, it's weird. It's late. I had time. I woke up. I had time to like do what I wanted in the morning. I could get used to it though. I actually had time to like chart ES as well. You saying I need help, bro? I'm joking. I'm joking. No, yeah, I agree. It'll be nice not to. It'll be nice not to have it so early in the morning. Oh yes, it's looking good now, breaking out. Yeah, I was thinking about taking a long. I haven't seen an entry I like. That's true. I have no idea. Yeah, I was gonna say we're getting some weird price action now. It's PMI services, I think. Let me check. Yeah, Yvonne, I'm gonna research your Serbia-Croatia war. I'm gonna learn about your culture. Yeah, I have resistance right where it's at on NQ as well. I like it to the upside. I just would want to see some sort of entry, maybe pull back to like pre-market high. I don't know. Guess we already kind of got that. Nice. say. No, we don't learn in school. Tito? Like Tito's vodka? Mm-hmm. Oh, I like how you know more about our history than us. Mm. Oh. I ain't never heard of him. He looks like a dictator. He's got the perfect look for it. He's kind of got some swag. And more news in 9 minutes. What is it? It's factory orders. I don't know if that really matters. QQQ is going crazy. It's got a massive fair value gap on the hourly. It's like in the middle of. Oops. Yeah, it is a little all over the place. It's starting to look like NQ wants to pull back up here. I'm gonna try a short here on NQ. My risk is 840. I might have taken a little too early. I probably should have waited for this. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I don't necessarily love it. It's one of those things where it's like I see something and I enter. As soon as I enter, then I start second guessing it. But I would risk off to high a day. I just don't like the amount of risk that is. Yeah, it's probably gonna stop me out here. Yeah, I was gonna say because my risk, yeah, exactly the way it's been moving. Where I would normally place the stop is a bigger risk than I'd want, but I didn't size down, so I didn't want to have that wide of a stop. But it's kind of like right around my entry right now, so it's not looking terrible as long as I get a little follow through. Mm, yeah, let's see. I might break it off here for like break even. Well, now well, it's just kind of bouncing around my entry. Kind of a little opposite though. Yeah, SPY keeps going up. I don't know. They're doing opposite things. It's making me. NQ still looks all right, but SPY making new highs is making me nervous. I think I'm just gonna call it. That was about break even. I don't feel comfortable to hold on to it while SPY's looking so strong. Mm-hmm. It's almost forming like a little bit of a flag up here too, which I was watching. Also, kind of why I got out, because if it breaks that flag with ES going higher, I can see it making a move up as well. I don't know though. The 1 minute doesn't look too hot to the upside. Now it's starting to fall. Shit. I'll just wait a little bit. I can't. I'm having a hard time reading it. Looks like NQ's trying to break out of that flag on the 1 minute. How's ES looking? ES is right at high day. Yeah, I think NQ would probably break out then if ES breaks high day. just did, huh? On the 1 minute. Right back down. Holy cow. Whoa, that was crazy. Yeah. Would that have stopped me out? No, it wouldn't have. Damn. If I was still in my short, that would have been it. That was weird, though. I don't necessarily love that. Think so? Okay. Oh my gosh, you're right. That was just your buy order. I entered long. We'll see. Because I like that breakout, but then that like little, I don't know. We'll see. I think it goes higher though. I think that was just a little fake out, a little manipulation before it goes higher. Hopefully, or I'm wrong. It's probably smart. I probably should have waited for this 5 minute to close, but if it closes with that wick, it's crazy. I mean, the 15 minute looks all right as well. We'll see. Could have been a little too early. But just how fast it dropped and then went right back up makes me think it wants to keep going. And the way ES was kind of holding, yeah, ES is making new high. I'm just looking for NQ to do the same now. Yeah, my take profit's just a little bit above high a day, so if it breaks that, I expect it to. There it is. Nice. Well, it didn't quite hit, but it should here. It goes up like one more point, please. Oh my gosh, it's just tickling it. Do you ever have problems with your order filling? There it is. I was gonna say it was just sitting there and it wouldn't do it. It's weird. I don't know if it's just like because I'm in a trade and I'm more conscious of it, but I swear I'll place a limit order and it will just like touch it for a minute and not fill it. Alright, I kind of want to place my runner at this. That's pretty good. We'll see if it hits it. Ace price swings are crazy. It's probably about to stop my runner at break even, or just about. Or not. Nice. Yeah, this is definitely my last trade. I don't really want to take anything else after that. It was honestly a little riskier than what I would normally take. Nice, man. Don't be a quitter. Do you ever have it where you're like accidentally watching two different charts? Like I'll have like ES on my 5 minute and NQ on the 1 minute, and I'm looking at them like, what the hell? This makes no sense. I realize I don't recommend it. Might lead to some confusing trades. Well, I'll just have like different charts on different time frames because I'm like switching between them, and sometimes I'll forget to switch one back, and so I'll be looking and I'll be like, well, 5 minute looks good, and I look at the 1 minute and I'm like, well, that looks way different. My runner almost. Oh, please. So Scream, you're saying, do you trim as well? Because you're saying you don't really have like a take profit. Do you? I'm assuming you kind of trim your position along the way, right? Do you use just like price action to for levels to trim at, or like? Okay, yeah, that's kind of what I was wondering. Gotcha. Yeah, I haven't traded ES in a really long time, but I started charting it again so I could watch it, but I haven't really. I still need to figure out like where, like what point wise. I was thinking like 7 points is a nice place to trim. I just don't know how what moves super well. NQ's just been teasing me with my runner. It's like naughty. It's like 6 points off of my take profit, and just please do it. Break high day and just give a little push. That's what I'm saying. It's just sitting right there. It's like my take profit's just a little above high day, and it just keeps. Oh, oh my gosh! It's 1 point off. You dirty dog. There it is. Nice. I mean, it's still looking strong for sure. I don't really have any resistance. I mean, right around in here, and then nothing for I don't know, like 70 points or something, maybe more. Make sure it's not yours, dude. Have you guys watched the new season of Squid Game, season two? I just I just started it. Yeah, I haven't seen it, but I'm gonna take a stab at it. Guess that everybody's dies. Turns out they're all just squids. This summer? Wow, really? I didn't know about that. I'm gonna check that out. Squid Game Season 3. So is that, that would make sense. Dang, okay. That makes sense though, because the second season's a little shorter if they already had another season planned.
Hey Ray,
Yep.
I'm leaving for my appointment.
All right. Good luck. Let me know if you need anything.
All right, thank you. Bye.
See ya. Anna, I think I'm gonna have to move my car for you real quick. Yeah, I'll get that. Hey guys, I'm gonna head out for the day. I have to move my car, let my sister-in-law out. Alright, I'll see you guys. Good luck, good trades today. I'll be back tomorrow. See you fellas.